Hello. And welcome back to Mentority, the channel where we explore the art of writing and storytelling. I'm Vinay, your host and mentor, and today we have an exciting topic to dive into: profile writing. Whether you're a budding journalist, a content creator, or simply someone who wants to craft captivating stories, profile writing is a skill you don't want to miss out on. In this video, we'll explore what profile writing is, why it matters, and most importantly, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of creating compelling profiles that captivate your readers. Understanding profile writing. To kick things off, let's get a clear understanding of what profile writing is. Profile writing is all about capturing the essence of a person, place, event, or organization. It's about creating a vivid and detailed portrait that not only informs but also engages and resonates with your audience. Think of it as storytelling with a purpose. Profiles can be found in newspapers, magazines, blogs, and more. They can introduce readers to inspiring individuals, take them on journeys to fascinating places, or provide insight into significant events. In profile writing, you're not just reporting facts, you're crafting narratives that leave a lasting impression. But why is it important? Profiles offer a unique perspective, they humanize the subject, and they connect readers on a personal level. They're engaging, informative, and often inspire readers to take action or see the world differently. Key elements of an engaging profile. Now that we know what profile writing is, and why it matters, let's dive into the key elements that make a profile engaging. First, we have the hook. Every profile needs a captivating opening that grabs your reader's attention. For instance, suppose that you are asked to write a profile of famous freedom fighter, Nelson Mandela. Then you can use this sentence as your hook. A name synonymous with courage, resilience, and the triumph of the human spirit. His journey from a young, determined law student to a global symbol of freedom and reconciliation is nothing short of remarkable. It could be an intriguing fact, a compelling quote, or a vivid description. Next, we'll explore character development. Just like in a story, profiles need well-developed characters. Whether it's a person or a place, delve into their backgrounds, motivations, and unique qualities. For instance, if you are asked to write a personal profile of Nelson Mandela, then read some magazines, newspapers, and articles on Nelson Mandela to know his personality, achievements, and greatness. Then, we have vivid descriptions. Use sensory language to create a vivid mental picture for your readers. Engage their senses and let them experience what you're describing. For instance, if you are asked to write personal profile of Nelson Mandela, then you can use these sentences as vivid descriptions. Mandela's activism was ignited during his university years, where he studied law. He joined the African National Congress in 1943, and his journey towards political leadership began. And don't forget dialogue. Incorporating authentic conversations can breathe life into your profile. For instance, if you are asked to write about Nelson Mandela, then you can use this sentence. His words, "It always seems impossible until it's done," continue to inspire generations to strive for justice, equality, and the betterment of humanity. It adds depth to your characters and makes your profile more relatable. Some practical tips. Now that you know the key elements, let's dive into some practical tips and real-world examples that will elevate your profile writing skills. First tip, research thoroughly. Whether you're profiling a person or a place, gather as much information as possible. Conduct interviews, visit locations, and immerse yourself in the subject. Second tip, show, don't tell. Instead of telling your readers about your subject, show them through vivid descriptions, anecdotes, and examples. Third tip, edit and revise. Great profiles are the result of careful editing. Review your work for clarity, conciseness, and coherence. And, of course, check for grammar and punctuation. And don't forget to take a look at a before and after profile. Notice how revising and applying these tips can transform your writing. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide to profile writing. We've covered the basics, explored key elements, shared practical tips and examples. Remember, profile writing is a skill that takes practice. So, don't be discouraged if your first attempts aren't perfect. Keep refining your craft, and you'll see improvement over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow writers, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon for more writing tips and inspiration. Thank you for joining us on Mentority. Keep writing, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.